Friday or Monday?
What day is it?
Monday.
No, what day is it?
Monday.
It's Friday.
It's Friday.
Yeah.
What day is it?
Monday.
Is it Monday?
No.
No. What day is it?
Tuesday.
No. What day is it?
Monday.
No.
No.
Nope. What day is it?
Monday.
No. What day is it?
Friday.
Yes, it's Friday.
What day is it?
Tuesday.
No, it's Friday.
It's Friday.
Are you going to tell me it's Monday again, or are you going to yell at me?
Monday.
No, it's not Monday. What day is it?
Monday.
No.
Friday.
Monday.
Is it Monday?
Happy Mondays. Happy Mondays. Happy
Monday. Tuesday.
No, it's not Tuesday either. What day is
so crazy, isn't it?
Monday.
it? What day is it?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Hayden, stop.
What, you can't see my fingers?
Not yet.
Tuesday.
Friday.
Friday.
Yes. Good girl.
What day is it?